Hello everyone, I am Deepak.R, studying in Sri College of Engineering from the Department of CSE Cybersecurity. Today I am going to explain about the topic Primitive Types in Java. Introduction to Primitive Types in Java. The primitive types in Java form the building blocks of data manipulation. They represent simple values like numbers and characters. Understanding them is very much crucial for any Java developer as they are used extensively in coding and data manipulation. First, the integer types. There are four integer types, mainly byte, short, int, and long. Byte. The byte data type is an 8-bit signed 2's complement integer. It can have values from -128 to 127. It is often used when working with large arrays of data or when you need to work with raw binary data. This is a fundamental data type in Java that is extensively used in programming. Next, the second integer data type is short. The short data type is a 16-bit signed 2's complement integer. It can have values from -32,768 to 32,767. It is used to save memory in large array of numbers where the memory savings is crucial to the application's performance. Next, the third integer data type is int. The int data type is a 32-bit signed 2's complement integer. It can have values ranging from -2 power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. This is the most commonly used integer type in Java. Next, the fourth integer type is long. The long data type is a 64-bit signed 2's complement integer. It can have values ranging from -2 to the power 62 to 2 to the power 63 minus 1. Use it when you need a range values wider than those provided by int. Next, the second type of primitive data type is floating point types. In floating point types, there are two types, float and double. Float. The float data type is a single precision 32-bit IEEE 754 floating point. It should never be used for precise values such as currency. It is commonly used for saving memory in large arrays of floating point numbers. Double. The double data type is a double precision 64-bit IEEE 754 floating point. It is the default choice for decimal values. Use it for decimal values, especially when you need a large range of values or when you need to perform precise calculations. Next, the third type of primitive data type is character type. In character type, char, the representation. The char data type is a single 16-bit Unicode character. It is used to store any character such as letters, digits, and symbols. Character encoding. It uses Unicode to represent characters, satisfying the need to represent all the world's characters and symbols. Example usage. The char data type is widely used in text processing programs and in representing human language data. The size and range of each primitive type. This table shows that the size of each primitive type and the range of each primitive type. Next, the default value of the primitive types. The default value of integer primitive type like byte, short, int, long is 0, and the default value of the floating point type like float and double is 0.0, and the default value of character char is /u0000. Why do we need primitive types in Java? Efficiency. The primitive types enable efficient memory usage and faster execution of programs. Low-level operations. They allow programmers to operate directly on raw data and perform low-level operations, making them indispensable for system programming and hardware interfacing. Portability. The primitive types help ensure the portability of Java programs across different platforms and architectures. We can also perform arithmetic operations on the primitive types, like addition and subtraction, which is used for adding or subtracting numerical values, like 5 plus 3 is equals to 8, 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. Multiplication and division. It is used for multiplying and dividing numerical values. Example, 4 into 2 is equals to 8, 16 by 2 is equals to 8. Modulus operator. It is used for finding the remainder of a division operation. Example, 10 modulus 3 is 1 and the 15 modulus 4 is 3. Comparison and logical operations on primitive types. The comparison operators. Comparison operators are used for comparing different values and making decisions based on those comparisons. Example of comparison operators are equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Logical operators. The logical operators are used for performing logical operations like AND, OR, and NOT operations. Examples of logical operators are AND, OR, NOT. Summary and conclusion. Primitive types are the building blocks of Java programming. They represent basic data types such as integers, floating point numbers, characters, and boolean. Efficient. Using primitive types allows for efficient memory usage and faster execution of programs. They have a smaller memory footprint compared to objects and are optimized for performance. They are widely used. Primitive types are widely used in variety of applications and scenarios. From simple calculations to complex algorithms, they play a crucial role in Java programming. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.